Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install ElementaryOS 8.0, that is the latest version on VirtualBox. Go to ElementaryOS official website, that is elementary.io. Hit enter, click on purchase elementary. See, now pay what you can. See, it is like donation. You can select the amount and you can pay. Okay. So for this demo purpose I am not going to. So give the 0 and click on download elementary OS. Select the download. Close it. Go to download. See, download has been started and its size is 3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded the ElementaryOS ISO. See here we have the ElementaryOS 8.0 stable version. Okay. Now open Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to install Oracle VirtualBox on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Open VirtualBox. See, these are the list of the virtual machines on my system. To create new virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Select either of them. Then give the elementary. Give the name for the virtual machine. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select it. Click on drop down. If you want to save in this directory, give this as it is. Otherwise, click on drop down. Select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space or as per your requirement. Select the folder. Click on select. Then select the image. Click on drop down. That is ISO image. Click on drop down. Select other. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Click on open. See, once we selected, type has been changed to Linux and subtype as Ubuntu because we don't have elementary. Okay. Then hardware. See, by default it has selected memory as 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Give the based on availability. Number of CPU processors I am giving 2. Then hard disk, by default it has selected 2 gigabytes. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on finish. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. We can also edit the settings after. Click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings of this machine, select this virtual machine from this list. Then click on settings or right click on it. Then select settings or select it and click on machine. Then select the settings. Okay. All three options are same. So click on start to start the installation of ElementaryOS on VirtualBox. Click on it. Now select the language, English. Select English, then click on select. Then select keyboard layout. I am going with English US. Then click on select. Keyboard layout also I am going with the default. Select it. See here we have 3 modes. Right, demo mode, erase disk and install, and custom install. I am going with erase disk and install. So click on erase disk and install. See, this is just warning. So click on install anyway. Select the hard disk. Then click on next. So see, it is asking encrypt device drive. I don't want to encrypt, so click on don't encrypt. Adding additional drivers. So if you want to install this, so click on this checkbox to install third-party proprietary drivers. Click on erase and install. See, installation has been started. See, installation is completed. After installation, we can set up the new user. Okay, so click on restart device. See, now it is asking us to remove the installation medium. So we have to unmount the, see, cursor is not visible. So click on right control from your keyboard. See, cursor has been released. Okay, so go to VirtualBox. See, here optical drive is already empty. So no need to do anything. So go to here and hit enter. Now select the language and select English and click on select. Again select. Now we have to create user. So provide user full name, then provide the username, then provide the password. Then confirm the same. Then see here device name. I am giving device name is host name. Then click on finish. Provide the password of the user that we have created. Enter. See, welcome screen, skip all. Click on get started. See, we have successfully installed ElementaryOS 8. Click on applications. Now search for terminal. Click on terminal. Now verify the version more /etc OS-release. See, we have installed ElementaryOS 8. Okay. Q to quit, Control L. So in this video we have seen how to download and install ElementaryOS 8 on VirtualBox. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.